What's good, y'all? It's your boy Ross back at it again with another video. So we're gonna check out 131 mile per hour high speed pursuit with a Kawasaki Ninja ZXCR and Arkansas State Police. Now, it's been a minute since I've checked out a police chase of sorts. It's been quite some time. Hell, it's been quite some time since I've checked out a police chase involving someone on a bike. This should be very interesting. I'm willing to bet the person on the bike definitely gets away. Most likely, if you've seen any of my reactions to people on bikes, especially if they're on like a Kawasaki Ninja of sorts, there's a good chance they're probably gonna get away. Hell, you don't even have to be on a Ninja. You can be just on, a decently powered bike. You have a better chance of getting away than someone in a actual car, traditional car. So we're gonna see how long it takes for this person on the bike to evade the police. Appreciate all love and support, and I always say this, man, if you have an opportunity, even if you're on a bike, please pull over. That way you don't get hurt, officers that are pursuing you don't get hurt, and the innocent people that are on the road that have nothing to do with it don't get hurt as well. You have to put that out there. All right, just check this out, man. So there's no audio right now. They're just kind of chilling. See the bike moving at a pretty high rate. There's all right, we about to go engage. They were kind of far off on the road too. All right, I mean, let's see if they can catch up. They got their lights on. Let's see if they're gonna catch up, man. They at 100 miles an hour. Y'all can't see it because I'm covering it up, but they're over 100 miles an hour right now. They're at 120, 125. They're at 131. Obviously, you gotta slow down for traffic. In fact, I may just skip ahead to when he actually catches up. I'm gonna skip ahead. There we go. All right, so he's at a stoplight.
We got a killer.
10-4, you're 282-64. Stand by. Yeah,
Oh.
car. Get off the motorcycle.
Oh, he actually stopped. Wait a minute. Hold on. Wait a minute. Whoa. So this entire time, this whole section, they're gone. Now look at this. I don't know if they they're gone. They're right up here. They're weaving in and out. I'm confused. Wait a minute. So why they stop? Even though I just said at the beginning of the video, please stop. But I'm actually confused because I'm thinking they were gonna maybe catch up because of like traffic or something. No, they just stopped. I mean, yeah, they was at a traffic light, but I'm very surprised by this. Wait, what? Yeah, he could have kept going. He stops. Wow. I am actually surprised by this, y'all. I was not expecting this guy to actually stop, bro. He stopped. What? And he was gone. I want y'all to understand, he was like legitimately gone. Oh, he's getting arrested. Wow.
I didn't want to take it.
Just put my feet in.
Yeah, just put it. Get it however you can.
Okay. Oh shit.
I can't believe this, y'all.
I saw you. I didn't think you were. I didn't know if you'd pull. I figured you'd pull
You
out.
don't know that I was behind you. You saw me
know.
in the grass. I know you did.
I
got you going
know.
92. And when I pulled out, you just gunned it. You're going between traffic. I find it hard to believe.
Yeah, bro. This is what's making this really confusing. He's weaving through traffic. If you go back, like, he's gone at this point of the video. Still gone. Still gone. Still gone. Still gone. I'm confused why he stopped. If you weaving in and out of traffic, you know you're being chased. What? I can't believe this, bro.
I did see you.
Okay, so what made you run from me?
Well, I don't know. Like, I know this sounds stupid, but I figured you may be pulling somebody else over. But then when I saw you, when I was taking the exit and I saw you, I was like, well, shit, he's definitely gonna pull me over.
Yeah.
So, and I'm not trying to, like, run and end up crashing and dying, so I was gonna.
It's a little late for that.
I know.
Yeah, it's definitely a little late for that. If you was going to stop, you should have stopped a long time ago. So you decided to have second. Let me slow down. Let me stop. Even him explaining it, it doesn't make sense. I am so surprised by this.
I know.
All right. Well,
I didn't know if you wanted me to pull over there. I mean, when you, I knew you'd be upset.
Well, the moment for you to stop was the moment you saw me. You knew you were going 92.
Well, yeah.
In the grass median there, you knew that was the time for you to stop.
Yeah.
But yet here we are, about 4 miles from where I caught you at.
Yeah.
So we kind of have an issue, don't we?
Right.
All right, man. Well, hop on out and we'll pat you down real good, all right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
And I'll put you on the right side of the.
Jeez, bro. This was so. I mean.
For no tags, like a couple times this week. Never running at all.
Yeah, that was, bro. He didn't even
I've
have.
done that, man.
Yeah, I'm coming from like a 2-hour trip.
Yeah. Should have just stopped, man. You knew I was coming after you.
I know.
All right.
This is uncomfortable.
Yeah. Bro, ain't no fucking way. My boy. This is probably the weirdest way I've ever seen anyone on a Kawasaki Ninja, on a bike in general, just say, fuck it, I give up. Even though they were gone. They were gone. That's crazy. That is truly crazy. That's a first. That's a first. Hey, comment down below. Let me know. I want to ask y'all a legit question, a serious question. If you were this individual and you had that much of a lead, would some of y'all stop at some point? Be like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and stop. Or would some of y'all keep going? Real question. I want to know. Would some of y'all actually stop? With that type of gap that you had, would you decide, you know what, I'm going to stop? Or would y'all actually decide just to keep going? I think I know the majority of the answers. But I appreciate all the love support. Road to 20K. See y'all on the next one. Peace.